Dussehra is not only a festival in Maharashtra for political parties, but it is also a stage where political parties showcase their power and directly interact with their party workers. But this time, this Shivaji Park's Dussehra rally is very important because it is expected that MNS chief Raj Thackeray will join this Dussehra rally. In 2005, Raj Thackeray left Shiv Sena and he made his political party Maharashtra Navnirman Sena in 2006, and from that onwards Raj Thackeray never attended this Dussehra rally. But in the wake of upcoming BMC and other municipal corporation election, it is expected that Raj Thackeray will come to this stage, and it is also expected that both brothers Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray will announce their political alliance for the upcoming elections. You can see here all arrangements are going on stage. Workers are making the stage, and you can see the chairs have already been installed, and it is expected that more than 1 lakh people will come to this rally and listen what their political leaders are going to say. In 2022 and 23, almost 2 lakh people attended this Shivaji Park's Dussehra rally, and this time it is a stage where Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, if they come together on this stage, they will showcase their power and appeal Marathi people to vote in their favor, because in last 2-3 months we have seen that Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray has shared so many stages, and their political alliance, it's almost confirmed. In a political circle, people are saying that both parties alliance has been fully done and plan has been made. In political circle, people are saying that seat sharing formula of both the parties has been finalized, and both parties are right now working on where to field their candidate. According to sources, Uddhav Thackeray will field in area where there is mixed population, or it is Muslim dominated areas like Baikala, Nagpada and Muhammad Ali Road are Muslim dominated areas, and Uddhav Thackeray will field his candidate on these areas. And Raj Thackeray, if alliance is done, Raj Thackeray will field their candidates in Marathi dominated areas like Dadar, Vikhroli and other areas of Mumbai. So on this kind of formula both brothers are working, and if tomorrow Raj Thackeray comes here and share stage with Uddhav Thackeray, they will surely announce their alliance for upcoming BMC and other municipal corporation elections. With video journalist Aditya, Sonu Kanojia, Lokmat.